I'm Dr. Miner. Today I'm here with a patient that has a old silver filling. And with old silver fillings, what they tend to do is start to crack teeth. And that's what's happening in this situation. And so what we're going to do is take out that silver filling and replace it with a tooth color filling. So we're going to use the laser to replace this filling. Now the laser does not take out the silver filling. And so we have to use a little trick with using a different laser to help kind of numb the tooth. Yeah, because we have to use the handpiece to essentially cut out that silver filling. And once that comes out, then we'll switch over to our other laser and get out any cavity that's there and then put the filling in. Open this one. So we got done. Went really well from our standpoint and was really quick. And how was it for you?
It was great. I did have a little bit of sensitivity. I felt just a little bit of cold from the laser, but it really wasn't very bad at all, and it was great not having to get a shot.
Yeah, that's the nice thing with the laser, is avoiding that shot. With this, we had to take the filling out with the handpiece, which, you feel a bit of vibration with that, and sometimes you might get a little twinge. Did you have any twinge at all?
Just a little bit.
Just a little
not
bit?
bad at all.
But a heck of a lot better than getting the shot and being numb for hours. Would you say?
I would. It's definitely worth it.
All right.